This giant sphere was made with about 40,000 matches. Each individual match was placed meticulously to form an almost perfect sphere. Because the green tip is fatter than the wooden sticks, it almost self-assembles into a sphere. It took over 10 days to create this match sphere. Not only is this giant match sphere made entirely of matches, but it's also filled to the brim with matches and sparklers. This should make for a pretty interesting show. So here we have the giant sphere of matches on my table. It was lit from the top using, you guessed it, matches. Because the outside is made of matches and the inside has matches, we get kind of a double show. So that was essentially the outside of the sphere catching on fire, but the inside is still smoldering. So right about here looks like the fireball is dying down, but check out what happens right here. What happened here was there's a lot of unburned fuel inside the sphere, and when the sphere slightly cracked open because of the heat, it allowed a lot of oxygen to go into the sphere. Let's watch it happen again in slow motion. And here we could see our giant match sphere being torn into two. I cannot help but remember the joy that this giant sphere of matches had brought us. But I think we could all appreciate the true hero in this story, and that is Mr. Table. You may not know who Mr. Table is if this is your first time watching this channel. But if you've been here before, you know that Mr. Table has been here since the beginning. When we tried to spin the 3D printed gearbox faster, or when we made the world's simplest sun tracker, and even when we made the world's longest 1-to-1 3D printed gear train. I wonder what projects Mr. Table will help us with next.